Looks intimidating, right? Seriously, dude. An ambulance here for some reason, and of course it will be stuck. The owner is trying to save his puppy from the strays because the puppy is scared. Should I gap this? Should I gap this? It's been consistently raining for 3 days now, and the condition of the road is so bad. I've had few days of holiday from work, and I thought I'd make the most of it, making videos and editing and doing stuff. But the plans, everything got foiled because of the rain, and I think it's gonna, if the rain persists, it's gonna flood soon. So let's go check out. Let's see. It has stopped raining for a bit, so let's go check out the condition of the road and how everything is.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Look at the condition of the road. Oh my god. There is no accountability. Like, who's gonna repair all this? Elections are done and dusted, everything's over. Look, what now? It's been like this forever. I know it's like easy content for me, but still, man, it's so damn suffocating, like riding on these roads.
Stop.
There's a tea stall nearby, a tea vendor from Rajasthan, and he has gotten quite famous, you know. So if you are ever in Silchar town and you want to have good tea, do come out here. You see that Nikon ka signboard? He just sits underneath that, and he makes amazing tea. He makes amazing tea. So do check him out. Not sponsored in any way. I mean, Rajasthani guy, if you are seeing this, please sponsor me. Anyways, most of you guys, whoever is watching this video, please leave a like, comment, and hit the subscribe button, because it's gonna help me out a lot. And try to watch till the end. I mean, भाई की help हो जाएगी और कुछ नहीं. Wow, look at that pond. That's a hot tub. That's a place for a hot tub. No, there should be accountability, dude. People should be responsible. They should be held responsible for this. It's been like this for a year now, maybe more than that.
Baby, stop.
Let's get on the highway for it. See? Autos, man. I tell you. We do this all the time. And मजाल है किसी की उनसे झगड़ के कुछ बात बनवा ले. No way. Okay, what's the point of having speed breakers on bridges? The only reason I could think of is, oh my god, look at that river. Looks intimidating, right? Seriously, dude, that's such a big river. The width of it. Oh my god. And there are chapris on the railings trying to I'll be shitting my pants if I would have been doing that, nah? I'm scared of heights.
Why are you gay?
So this bridge, this one doesn't have speed breakers, or am I wrong? This one has. Why is my bike stalling? Seriously, GT 650 में नई खराबी आ गई है. Bike is stalling. That's gonna get some good views, you know, because negativity sells, dude. Like, seriously, guys, if you're trying to make a YouTube video, try to sell negativity. So should I gap this? Should I grab this? क्या भाई? So this one, no. This one doesn't have VA speed breakers. So this is how a bridge should be, right? Bridge ऐसी होनी चाहिए भाई. वो ये क्या ब्रिज हुआ भाई? 2 सेकंड बाद स्पीड ब्रेकर लाके खड़ा कर दिया. कुछ भी यार. Anyways, let's get into city traffic. I mean, spokes are better in the sense because, like, if I get into a pothole now, the impact will be distributed evenly, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm dumb. Oh my god, look at that. Welcome to Venecia. Buenos Aires, boys. How can you live like that? Like, seriously, who lives like that? इतना टैक्स भरो, इतना वो करो, मिडिल क्लास मर जाए. मतलब बेसिक एमिनिटीज ठीक मत करो भाई.
अरे बस कर भाई.
Always ride safe, guys. ये सब जगह में there is no point speeding here. These are city roads and I see people speeding here a lot. Don't do that. You'll hit someone, dude. And वो split second का मज़े के लिए ना पूरी लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगी भाई आपकी. Don't do that. हाँ ना, I'm preaching. The guy who goes 140k on highways is preaching. I think it's highways now. I can do 140 at highways. Should I be saying that on a video? Doing 140k's on a highway. My limit is 140. I can't go more than 140. I want to, but just I feel so scared after 140. 140 is like I can accept my fate at 140. I'll be able to brake. I'll be able to brake. I haven't. वो तो तभी पता चलेगा जब 140 पे कुछ आ जाएगा and I won't be able to brake or I'll be able to brake. But that would be difficult. Like braking at 140. Hope I never get to see that day. Mahindra QV 100. I don't know what kind of a thing is this. It's like yes, you're supposed to park it like that. टेढ़ा करके रखो in an angle so that people have difficulty. And Venecia, Italy, circa 2024. Buenos Aires, guys. Buenos Aires. So this is the heart of the city, and if it's the heart of the city, it's supposed to be clean. I mean, that's what basic sense tells us, right? If it's the heart of the city, it should be clean, it should be neat, but it's none of that. And there are more autos and tuk-tuk walas than people. I don't know who gets this guy's license, man. Like, are they supposed to be like that? Like, it's like they're breeding or something, you know. There's a queen somewhere and she's like chugging out chota tuk-tuks and everything. There's an ambulance here for some reason, and of course it will be stuck because of the condition of the road. Even if people want to move away, they won't be able to move away. See, that's the ambulance, but won't be able to get through. Footpaths are occupied by chota stall walas. Road is occupied by pedestrians. and high alpha pedestrians, that is tuk-tuk and auto walas. Look at that auto.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
At least this area is like a bit better. The roads are smooth, but then we have stray cattle on the road. That's how things are in India, dude. And look at this guy. He owns the road, man. He owns it. He's alpha. At least, apart from the stray cattle, this road is much better. Oh, I forgot about the speed breakers, dude. Yeah. So, what's the point of these speed breakers? Okay, I understand one. Why do you guys have to put two? Oh yeah, there's the place from where I want to get. The thing is here somewhere. Yeah, that's the one. Let's go and ask this guy.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So it doesn't matter if you have a ZX10R, S1000RR. When the family asks you to pick something up for them, you do that in any kind of bike. This goes, I don't know how. Okay, this goes here, and that's it. Okay, if you're in this part of the town, this is the restaurant. These guys make good vegetarian food, and it's a good place to check out. Do check them out. And again, not sponsored or anything, just asking you guys to do the right thing. Also, I don't have the habit of going inside a restaurant with them with a camera and a mic on, like ye do bhaiya wo do. That just seemed so stupid to me. Anyways, so speed breaker, I understand the point of one, but what's the point of these two together? Oh my god, these are like so damn bad. The bone crushers, man. Again, two more. There's a school nearby, maybe because of that, but two is overkill, man. Should be one each on either side. That's it. Okay. So, thing is, the owner is trying to save his puppy from the strays because the puppy is scared. India mein na, these stray dogs, they have a union of some sort, okay? They hunt in packs, and these stray dogs, they kind of know each other. They have their own territories, they don't go beyond that, things like that. That's amazing. And these street dogs are very loyal. If you ever feed them, no, they're very loyal and they would come near you. They're cute. Anyways, so the thing I was saying, I make these videos on roads and potholes in the hope that maybe someone out there will see it, will feel shamed and embarrassed and fix it. I don't know if anyone does. If you're watching it, man, please feel bad for us. Please fix the roads. It's a basic need, that's all, and everyone is gonna tell you the same thing. So I was pretty sad when I woke up in the morning because it was raining heavily. I was like, Sunday ride aaj bhi nahi hogi. But then something cheered me up. It was the photo of this guy on a GT650. Can you imagine Jason Statham on a GT650? That's so cool, right? So that kind of cheered me up, that GT is like finally going places. GT is getting all the publicity it rightfully deserves, you know. Such a beautiful bike, such a lovely bike, you know.
Chemicals that take us higher.
The night's young.